Hey guys, it's Luke Bernard here. We're gonna be doing some speedrun jobs here because class is almost over and I gotta get this done. So we're gonna be doing this job, upgrade graphics card, except now what we're gonna do is let's see what the PC stats are, and let's see what the graphics card is looking at. So it looks like a MSI GeForce, blah 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 blah. We're gonna go to the shop, go to graphics card. Uh, so guys, it looks like um look at this again, guys. Hold on. He has one of the most. He might have the most expensive one. I don't know. And if he does, that's not gonna be good because I don't got money to spend. Hopefully, we're just gonna buy. Um, we're just gonna buy this one, and hope it's good enough. I'm gonna be very disappointed if it's not good enough. And yeah, we're gonna go with next day delivery. We're gonna buy that. Negative 75 bucks. You already know. Now we're gonna leave. End day. Go to work. Boom. Now we got our PC in here. It's lagging, guys. I don't know what's happening. My computer's lagging. My game crashed. I'm gonna be very sad. Okay, luckily it didn't crash. Got our stuff. Got the PC. Oh, it's dusty. That's just amazing. But we're gonna, remove the side panels. We're gonna move those nails. Then we're gonna, we have to remove the PCI lock. That's annoying. But we're gonna do it. Now we're gonna install compressed air. We're gonna want to get this dust out. That's step number 1. It's taking a little bit to dust out, guys. I don't know. Very, very. I'm gonna fall asleep. So boring, but looks good to me, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go to remove. We gotta get this. Yeah, let me get some munchies. Let me get some munchies, bro. Let me get some munchies. Alex, please. I'm not. I'm recording, bro. Dude, I'm so hungry. I might. I might. Yeah, I got a cable. Yeah, I already know. I know what I'm doing, homie. I'm a veteran. Let me get that. Let me. Come on, please. Alex. Yucky. Yeah, but guys, we're putting these cables in, guys. We put the graphics card in there too. Uh, come, Alex, come on, come on, Alex, Alex, come on, yay! Yeah, thank you, homie. I appreciate it. Wow, it felt good. Okay. No, we're reinstalling the we reinstalled the case lock. Now, a side panel. And we're gonna go here, put all these things on. Now we're gonna press power on to make sure it boots to OS, which it should. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be very mad. Boots to OS, guys. Perfect. Now we're gonna remove all these cables again. Remove all these cables. Wow. Then escape, pick the PC up, and then we're gonna go over here, place the PC, and then we're gonna get our money. I'm in debt, guys, so I better get a lot of money for this. We got 689 bucks. 5-star. My PC got a better graphics card, and I'm really happy. Yup. Okay, we're gonna discard. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that walkthrough of that one job. And I'll see you guys in the next one.